In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically log emails in HubSpot. Whether you're using Outlook, Gmail, or another email client, you'll find several straightforward methods to ensure all your important communications are recorded in your CRM. This can not only help keep your customer data up to date, but also enhance team collaboration and customer service. Let's dive into the details. First off, one popular method is to use the HubSpot sales extension. This handy tool is available for both Outlook and Gmail, providing seamless integration. To get started, you'll need to install the extension on your chosen email client. Once installed, head over to the extension settings where you can configure the default logging and tracking preferences. The beauty of this feature is its automatic logging capability. What this means is that as soon as you send an email from your connected inbox, it logs directly into HubSpot. Additionally, you can also track whether the recipients open and click on your emails, giving you valuable insights into engagement. There's room for customization too. You can decide whether to log every email by default or just replies to existing logged threads, and you have the flexibility to associate emails with specific record types. Now, if you're not keen on browser extensions, HubSpot has you covered with a unique BCC address feature. By navigating to your HubSpot settings under Objects, then Activities, and finally Email Log and Track, you can locate your distinct BCC address. When sending emails from your personal email client, simply add this address in the BCC field. HubSpot takes care of the rest by automatically logging the email to its CRM. Moreover, it associates each email with the recipient's contact record, their primary company, and the 5 most recent open deals linked to them. Similarly, HubSpot provides a forwarding address that caters to emails already sent or received. Again, you can find this under the same settings menu as the BCC address. Simply forward emails to this address, and HubSpot will log them along with making necessary associations with relevant records. It's a perfect solution for ensuring that no critical communication slips through the cracks. There are a few considerations you need to keep in mind. For instance, the Never Log list in HubSpot allows you to prevent certain emails or domains from being logged. This is a useful feature to protect privacy or exclude irrelevant communications. Be aware of email and attachment size limits. Emails larger than 2 megabytes or with attachments over 50 megabytes may not log attachments, though the email content will still be recorded. If you find that emails aren't logging as expected, double-check your connections to ensure your email provider is correctly linked, and verify that relevant emails aren't on your Never Log list. And remember, the HubSpot community is always a great place to seek further advice and troubleshooting tips related to email logging in HubSpot.